I have around 258 different type of files in this particular download folders. And what I want to do, I want to group them based on extension so that I can find a different extension file easily. Okay. And maybe I want to delete them or copy them somewhere. So let's see how can we do this in VBA. I have this code that will give you options like group by file type, group by file extension, group by given wildcard extension, and so on. Now let's say if I want to do like group by file extension, right? So I can select that. It will ask you to select the folder. I want to do this on the download folders. Okay. And if I just press OK, it says that file already exists, and that is because this file is in the download folders. And okay, now if I go into this, then you can see we have folder based on the extensions. If I just want to see XLAM, I have this one. If I want to find in XLSB, so I have these, and YAML, and so on.